Hey guys, Hallie Ricori here from Empower Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty. I'm here. This is Friday today, so happy Friday. If you're seeing this, I hope you're having a good week. I wanted to give you guys a little update on the Dallas luxury housing market. I was just looking at some information. I get a lot of my information in just the real estate market as a whole in Texas. Gets a lot of their information from the Texas A&M. So if you're an Aggie, gig 'em. The Texas A&M University, the Texas Real Estate Research Center that they have there. It's the forefront of the real estate data in the state of Texas. And I like to look at this every month. This is where I get a lot of my monthly housing data, where a lot of the MLSs do, both this in Angelo and Dallas I know do. So I wanted to give you guys a little update. So we've really been seeing some strong sales this year, just based on looking at May 2024 and before. Right now it's September. So, this is a little bit, lagging data, but at the same time, this is really indicative of how strong the market really is in Dallas when we've had such a tough year overall as a nation with higher interest rates. So I think this is a testament to not only Dallas's market being so strong and equipped for different situations with how many people are moving here, compared to looking at like an Austin market that had a huge influx during COVID. Not that DFW hasn't had a huge influx. I think it's just been more of a steady increase versus Austin was very dramatic with all the, the tech companies and employees moving to Texas. So based on that, just really diving into this, the Dallas luxury housing market, like I said, is having a strong sales year so far based on this data. The sales volume of homes priced at or above 1 million is up 28% from this time last year. So this time last year, we were already seeing those higher interest rates. They're a little bit higher then than they are now. We've seen a little bit of a price drop. Today is September 6th. So, looking at what the Fed has been saying, we're hoping for it's likely going to be another drop in interest rates here soon based on what Jerome Powell's saying. On that note though, year-to-date sales of all homes in the Dallas, Plano, Irving, that division is up 2.15% compared to last year. However, after taking out the $1 million listings, the remaining home sales were flat at a 0% over the same period, which really doesn't surprise me. While rates have dropped a little bit, it hasn't been that much, and we're gearing up for an election. I'm predicting that we'll have, a rate cut, a good amount of buyers come into the pool, but I think a lot of people will wait to see what the election will do. Not that that's the right thing to do or what I advise. That's just my prediction. So on top of that, sales of $1 million homes have been elevated since the start of the pandemic when interest rates were at their lowest. And up until this year, sales were strongest in 2022 before, having that retreat in 2023. So the North Dallas area, which I'm categorizing as inside of I-636, that area had the highest overall counts of luxury home sales and the highest aggregate sales price, with many homes selling in the multi-million-dollar range. And really sales in this area picked up 2021, but some neighborhoods had slower sales, beginning in 2022. Just for your knowledge too, the highest density of luxury home sales can be found around Grapevine Lake, with density defined as sales per overall housing unit counts. So this is getting kind of nitty gritty here. And the overall volume is less than the North Dallas area, but the market is growing and really took off in 2021, 2022. So in general, this market is characterized by homes sitting on larger lots and are relatively newer than the North Dallas market, of course. You see us expanding. So, Dallas has more of the older homes. Of course, we have new construction too, but getting into these areas, we have more larger developments of newer homes. And really, like, homes in this area sold in the $1 to $2 million range, just for your knowledge. So with that being said, probably the biggest development in luxury homes is the growth of sales in the northern suburbs area. So this market has gradually built up over the past 10 years, particularly in the North Collin County area. And many of these homes were built around 2018 and were also sold in the $1 to $2 million range. Sales in this area are on track to match close to 2023. Yeah, with that being said, the luxury home market is still growing, and especially in the Dallas proper market where I'm, focus on. I do have a team that focuses on the suburbs as well, so we can get you taken care of wherever. But yeah, I mean, it's been a strong year so far, but I think we have only a stronger market ahead of us. Could be almost too strong, like kind of what we were seeing in COVID. So, stay tuned for more updates on this. But yeah, at the end of the day, I think whether you're buying investment properties or buying a luxury property, it's really going to depend on where and what the house is. But overall, looking at these numbers, whether it's luxury or an investment property, something more affordable, the DFW market is a great investment right now. It's been ranking in one of the top in all the lists. So, whatever you're looking at, it's going to be a good investment. We're going to see more growth and sales here. There's only more companies coming, more people moving here for jobs, more people moving here for tax breaks, better business, or more tailored to like policies related to small businesses. So we see a lot of entrepreneurs moving here, content creators. So yeah, only more to come. I think this is really exciting. And if you have any questions on this, if this got a little nitty gritty for you, I can, break it down further for you. We can DM, we can have a phone call, whatever is easy for you, Zoom. So yeah, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for more updates on the Dallas market and all things Texas real estate related. Thanks, guys.